DevOps Roadmap for 2025 in just 5 easy steps. And no, we will not talk about programming languages because most of the code is generated through AI. Step number 1, learn the basics of the Linux operating system such as the file system, some basic shell scripting, and some common Linux commands that are used in day-to-day activities such as commands to manage the users, the groups, how to check the running processes, how to start or restart a service. So you can find a list of all these commands on YouTube. Spend at least 7 to 10 days to learn about Linux. Step number 2, learn about Git. As we move closer and closer towards the GitOps mentality, Git will be used a lot. So make sure you know the basic Git commands such as git pull, git push, how to create a PR, how to resolve merge conflicts, how to merge two branches. Spend at least 2 to 3 days to learn and practice Git. Step number 3, learn a freely available yet modern CI tool. And no, we are not talking about Jenkins. Jenkins is very legacy now and organizations are moving away from it. So pick a modern CI tool such as GitLab CI or GitHub Actions. Try linking this pipeline with your Git repository and set up some basic stages such as building, testing, and deploying. Spend at least 5 to 7 days practicing different type of pipelines. Step number 4, a very important point, learn containerization. For this, you need to learn 2 things, Docker and Kubernetes. You should know how to write Docker files, how to use multi-stage builds, the different arguments used in a Docker file. So practice at least writing a couple of Docker files for your own projects and then try deploying this into your own local Kubernetes cluster. To set up your own local Kubernetes cluster, you can either use Minikube or kubeadm and try writing some basic YAML files for deployments and services inside your cluster. Kubernetes is a vast but very important topic, so try to spend at least 10 to 15 days learning Kubernetes. And finally, step number 5, learn infrastructure as code, specifically using Terraform. Terraform is a widely used tool for infrastructure as code, and using that you can do one-click deployments on any cloud provider. Try creating a few cloud resources using the cloud provider of your choice through Terraform. Spend at least 5 to 7 days practicing writing different Terraform modules. And we know there are a bunch of tools when it comes to DevOps, but we believe these are the 5 basic things that are bare minimum in 2025 if you want to start working as a DevOps. If you want to learn all these things and watch more content on DevOps, do check out our channel DevOps Studio, and thanks for watching.